Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain whether Skrill is legit or a scam. So let's get started. If you're thinking about using Skrill to receive payments, send money internationally, or make online purchases, you might be wondering, is Skrill a real, trustworthy service, or is it a scam? Today we'll break this down in a simple, honest way, so you know what to expect. 1. Skrill is a legitimate company. Skrill is a well-established online payment service that's been operating since 2001. It's used by millions of people worldwide for a range of financial activities, from freelancers getting paid to online shopping, crypto purchases, and international transfers. Skrill is licensed in multiple countries and must follow financial regulations, which means it's not a fly-by-night operation or fake app. 2. Regulated by financial authorities. Being regulated is a big sign of legitimacy. Skrill is regulated under strict financial laws and must follow anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC rules. This protects users and makes sure transactions are monitored for fraud. When a company has to comply with these regulations, it means they are held accountable by real authorities, unlike scam services. 3. Used by real businesses and individuals. Skrill is widely accepted on major platforms, including gaming sites, freelance marketplaces, crypto exchanges, and international shopping services. People and businesses trust Skrill because it works reliably and provides transaction records they can use for accounting, support, or disputes. 4. What Skrill is not a scam would usually make unrealistic promises, like guaranteed returns, get-rich-quick offers, or secret earning hacks. Skrill does not do any of these. It's a financial tool, just like PayPal or Payoneer, and operates like a digital wallet, not a money-making scheme. If someone tells you to invest through Skrill promises huge profits, that's likely a scam using Skrill's name, not Skrill itself. 5. Common scam tactics. You should watch out for. While Skrill itself is legit, scammers often pretend to be Skrill supporter representatives. They might send fake emails or messages asking for your password, verification codes, or personal details. Skrill will never ask for your password by email or text. If you receive suspicious requests, always verify them with Skrill's official support and never click on unknown links. 6. Skrill's customer support and dispute handling. Skrill provides customer support for transaction issues, account problems, and security questions. If you ever run into trouble, for example, a payment didn't go through or you suspect fraud, you can contact their support team and provide documented proof. This level of support and transparency is further evidence that Skrill is a genuine financial service. 7. User responsibility still matters. Even though Skrill is legit, your own safety depends on how you use it. Using weak passwords, reusing passwords from other sites, or clicking unknown links can put your funds at risk, just like with any financial app. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, keep your email secure, and monitor your transactions regularly. Final verdict. So is Skrill legit or a scam? Skrill is a legitimate online payment platform with proper licensing, millions of users worldwide, and a long history of reliable service. It's not a scam, but you should still protect your account and avoid third-party scams that falsely claim to be Skrill. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.